I'm Todd Tracy with the Tracy Law Firm in Dallas, Texas, and I'm here today to talk with you about school bus safety and what to do in the event that your child is involved in a school bus related accident. Most of the times when children are involved in school bus accidents, the child does not have a lap or a lap shoulder belt on because the school bus doesn't have that safety system in place. In the event that a school bus is involved in a frontal impact, the child should be protected under a doctrine called compartmentalization, which is keeping the area around the child in a energy buffing zone. However, if the school bus is involved in a side impact and or a rollover accident, your child will be ejected from their seating position, and compartmentalization will not help them at all. So what are your options? Well, you can always look at the school district. However, the school district is going to have limited exposure because of statutes. It's incumbent upon parents and caregivers to actually look at the bus manufacturer. Why? Well, the bus manufacturer is the expert in the area. They understand what their buses do. They understand what their buses cannot do in the event of an accident. And they understand how important it is to actually put the safety systems in place. Bus manufacturers are no different than vehicle manufacturers that provide passenger cars to people. They understand that buses will be involved in frontal impacts and side impacts and rear impacts and rollovers. So it's incumbent upon the bus manufacturer and the bus industry to conduct vigorous crash testing for the front, the sides, the rear, and the roof structure. It's incumbent upon the bus industry to make certain that they provide the best restraint systems money can buy, because at the end of the day, what's riding in these buses? Well, our children, who are our most precious cargo. It's incumbent upon bus manufacturers to do what is right and to do what will protect our children in the event of any kind of accident. If your child is involved in a bus-related accident and is catastrophically injured or killed, then you need to contact a lawyer that knows how to fight the bus industry.